So, we have made a guitar recording using two microphones. Can you tell us what they are, Harry? Our dynamic mic
is a Shure SM57
and our condenser mic
is an AKG C414.
Excellent. So, Dave here will take you through, we'll just talk a little bit about the frequency analysis we have on here. Can I make these a little bigger? I can. That's good. So,
So on the frequency analyzer, it says a condenser is around 50 to 100 range, meaning it's more bassy, and the dynamic is around more 200 to around 300, 400, which is more mid-range. And the condenser is more versatile, as it's putting more emphasis around the 2K to 1K, 1K to 2K.
yeah, it's got more emphasis around here in general. It's a lot more well-rounded, whereas this is quite sort of one-dimensional. It sort of captures what's right in front of it.
It's like gives it that stereo.
Well, using two does. So we'll talk about the way each mic works. Harry, would you like to talk about how the SM57 works?
Yeah, with the SM57, the way it works is in the microphone there's a thing called the diaphragm, and as air goes through the diaphragm.
It hits the diaphragm, doesn't it?
Hits the diaphragm, sorry. It moves this coil that's around a magnet, and as it's moving it, causes a charge.
Not a charge, just like as the magnetic sort of magnet thing increases and decreases, that's what creates your audio signal.
Yeah.
Condenser mic is a lot more complicated. You need phantom power. It needs a voltage to work. And your diaphragm is, well, it's against a different surface, and as the diaphragm moves, the distance between them changes as the air hits it as the audio source hits the diaphragm, and as they move, the distance between them changes, and that is what creates your audio signal.
And also the difference between the condenser and the dynamic mic is the condenser has a capacitor. Don't forget about that.
Yeah. Well, another difference is the dynamic mic is very sort of direct. You know, it picks up audio from one direction, where right in front of it. Whereas the AKG has different cardio pattern settings. You can pick up from in front, sort of a semicircle around the front. There's two sides to it, so you can pick up all around your mic, or you can record in sort of like a figure of eight. And it's a very versatile mic. Not all condenser mics have that feature, but it's a feature you can include into a condenser mic because it's so much higher power, and that also means it's more sensitive than so if you notice on how we've set up our mics in here, let me just zoom in on that. As you can see, our condenser mic is a little bit further away than our dynamic mic, just because of the loud volume of the audio source, in this case the guitar amp. Just because it's going to be a louder output from the condenser mic. And then of course you can blend it once it's in the digital audio workstation, so it doesn't have to be too loud, and you can adjust gain settings and things, so there's ways around it. And we will have attached the actual audio file of this, so you can have a listen to it, and we're just quick lapping down some mics. I don't think it sounds too bad.
Yeah.
So that's our audio blog, and thank you, good night.